Namaste all. Today we are going to discuss about the education process as a whole. So education can be defined as ever dynamic, universal, creative, absolute transformation process with an objective of play and joy in day-to-day life. So here we are consolidating everything into two words like creative, dynamic and application in day-to-day life. This is what the overall aim of this particular education group, RLGS group, RLGS education group. So Master Personal Excellence Secret is one module we are planning to design where we will cover the mechanism of human experience in day-to-day life and get the optimal experience in day-to-day life. So can we consider life as an art or science, or it's a combination? So based on this, if you see any art created by the creation, you can see the beauty. But there is a science behind that can be represented by using this logo. So we based on the understanding, we can classify this as 5 states of human experience and life art in science form. The total course contained different steps like mechanism of human experience is one criteria we are discussing more detail, whereas different techniques we are covering to get the day-to-day optimal experience. So entire Master Personal Excellence course can be divided into 5 modules like this, and the entire concept is based on the human experience. In terms of day-to-day experience, we can define with one word SIFTS, so that we will discuss in detail. Like S stands for the our 5 senses, I stands for the images in which we think, and based on our emotions we have certain feelings. Every individual being having a feelings, and everyone has their own thoughts based on their previous experience, and there is a source which is common to all of us. So we have 5 different dimensions in which we will have the experience on day to day life. This we will discuss in detail. Namaste. So after go through all this process, we can have the self entertainment education design, that is the one output. And for more detail you can contact this number and this mail id. We will have detailed program step by step discussion in upcoming videos. Thank you. Namaste.